Welcome to Focus English with Cici. Hi friends, welcome back to my channel. I'm Cici, and today I'm going to take you with me on a special Saturday afternoon when I went to the movies with my best friend Ruby. It was more than just watching a film. It was about laughter, shared emotions, and creating memories together. Ready? Let's begin. It was a warm and sunny Saturday afternoon. I arrived at the bus stop near my house, but Ruby was already there, smiling brightly and holding a big cup of iced coffee.
Ready for the movie?
She asked. I laughed. Of course! I've been looking forward to this all week. When the bus arrived, we hopped on quickly, found seats by the window, and continued chatting about school, work, and the snacks we would buy later. After 20 minutes, the bus stopped in front of the shopping mall. The cinema was on the second floor, and as soon as we stepped inside, the smell of sweet, buttery popcorn filled the air. My stomach growled. I think we need popcorn, I said. Ruby grinned.
Definitely. But let's buy the tickets first.
We walked to the ticket counter. A friendly woman greeted us with a smile.
Good afternoon. Which movie would you like to see?
She asked. 2 tickets for Journey Beyond the Stars, please. I replied.
Would you like standard seats or VIP seats?
She asked.
Standard? Please.
Ruby said. We paid 300,000 dong in total, and she handed us our tickets. Cinema 5, row F, seats 8 and 9. The movie starts at 4:45 p.m. We went to the snack bar and bought 2 large buckets of popcorn. 1 sweet, 1 salty, and 2 bottles of water. I carried the popcorn almost as big as my head, while Ruby carefully held the drinks. We laughed at how funny we looked. Inside Cinema 5, the lights were dim and the screen showed advertisements for other films. We squinted to read the seat numbers and gently stepped past people until we reached the middle. Perfect spot, I whispered. The lights went down and the adventure began. Journey Beyond the Stars told the story of a young woman traveling to another world to save her village. The special effects were stunning, bright lights, exciting action scenes, and breathtaking landscapes. Halfway through, a funny scene made the whole cinema laugh. I saw Ruby wiping tears from laughing so hard. Later, a sad moment brought a tear to my eye, and I heard quiet sniffles around us. When the movie ended, everyone clapped. Ruby turned to me.
That was the best movie I've seen this year.
I smiled. I agree. We should do this more often. We walked out still talking about our favorite moments. My legs were a little stiff after 2 hours, but my heart felt light. For me, going to the movies is not just about watching a film. It's about sharing an experience with someone you care about. And that's why this Saturday afternoon will stay in my memory for a long time. And now that you've heard the story, let's take a closer look at some of the useful words and phrases from today's episode. Learning these will help you talk about movies, buy tickets, and share your feelings in English just like a native speaker. Popcorn, meaning light puffy food made from heated corn, often eaten at the movies. Ticket counter, meaning a place where you buy tickets. Shopping mall, meaning a large building with many shops inside. Special effects, meaning computer images or sounds used in movies to make scenes look amazing. Landscape, meaning a view of natural scenery such as mountains, rivers, or forests. breathtaking, meaning extremely impressive or beautiful. Sniffle, meaning to quietly make a sound by breathing in through your nose, usually when you are crying or have a cold. Adventure, meaning an exciting, unusual, and sometimes dangerous experience or journey. Dim, meaning not bright or clear. Audience, meaning the group of people gathered to watch or listen to something. Stiff, meaning difficult to bend or move, often because of being tight, sore, or uncomfortable. Squint, meaning to partly close your eyes in order to see more clearly or because the light is too bright. Ready for the movie? Meaning asking if someone is prepared or excited to go to the movies. I've been looking forward to it all week. Meaning you have been waiting for something with excitement. The movie starts at. Meaning telling when something will begin. I think we need. Meaning suggesting that something is necessary. We should do this more often. Meaning suggesting repeating an enjoyable activity in the future. Present perfect. To talk about experiences or things you have been waiting for up until now. Structure. Have, has plus past participle. Past simple. To describe completed actions in the past in chronological order. Structure. Subject plus past verb plus object. Past continuous. To describe actions happening at a specific time in the past or background actions in a story. Structure. Was, were plus verb ing. Direct speech. To make conversations more vivid in storytelling. Structure. Sentence plus subject plus said, asked. Thank you for listening to the story today. I hope you enjoyed the story and practiced some real-life English. I've created a free PDF with new words and sentence patterns from today's story, along with easy examples. It will help you learn more easily and more quickly. Also, just click the link in the description to download your free PDF gift. If you liked it, don't forget to subscribe for more gentle stories. Keep learning, keep smiling. See you next time, my friend.